how to delete Google Assistant activity. In this video session, I'm going to show you how to clear all activity history from Google Assistant. When you're logged into your Google account, on the left hand side we have data and privacy option. Let's press on that. Here you have my activity. Let's press on that. Your Google Assistant activity is actually managed under web and app activity. So if you have that turned on, as in Google saving your activity history, what we can do is we can either press on that link here, or we can actually press delete option. Select always and select Assistant. Press next and confirm deletion. So that's one way to delete that, by pressing this. Or we can press on web and app activity. We can press on manage all activity. Basically it's going to take us to web and app activity that has Google Digital Assistant option. So if I press next, basically it's going to do the same thing, as in delete activity history. Now, at this moment, recently Google has made major changes. So within myactivity.google.com/product/assistant, if you want to clear everything from Google Digital Assistant, this is the web address that you need to visit. Because in the previous option, we've just deleted certain activity that is associated with our usage of internet and the app itself. But you may be using Google Assistant differently. That is why, if you want to delete everything, we have to visit this address. Because on the left hand side, we have this 3 dot more option. So let's press on that. So basically if I press delete all time, as you can see, it's basically taking me to the same place. But if I press on more, you can see now the way that I'm using Google app and Assistant itself is actually different. That means if I have different devices that is synced and is using Google Assistant, I need to press on manage app info and so on. Okay, so at the end of the day, if you want to clear everything, you can press on history, but don't get confused. If you want to delete everything, you have to press on this more option. Let's imagine Google Assistant, you've asked routines, then you can delete that option here, because this option is not available here. Assistant memory, view memories, you can perhaps delete it. Let's imagine you're using your mobile device and your voice or face match is enrolled. You can view the data and manage it accordingly, okay? So, I know the recent changes are perhaps good if you understand how to use Google account. But if you want to delete all activity history from your usage of Google's Digital Assistant, these are the settings. Basically, data and privacy. I'll quickly show you. Here we have my activity, so we can press on that. We have option to delete always if you want to delete everything, or you can select different time ranges. Select Assistant, press next and confirm deletion. So that's one way to get there. Or we can press on web and app activity, because Assistant app you may be using. We can manage all activity. So that's another option that takes us to the same place. If I want to delete everything from Assistant, simply select Next, confirm deletion. But as I've said, if you want to delete everything, you have to visit this address, because this gives you different options. When you press on More, you will see certain options that are different according to your usage. So what you see on this screen may be different because of the way that you're using Google products, okay? But if you want to delete everything, we have to visit this web address. If you want to learn how to use Google products better and easier, definitely subscribe to Rankia YouTube channel, because I'll be uploading more tutorials related to Google account management. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.